Hi everybody, Miss Bunny here. So we're going to be weaving a rug for our little teddy bear. So you're going to decorate your teddy bear first. You'll get a piece of paper with some lines that look like this and then some strips of paper. So with this, we are going to cut along these lines and stop right there. Now I've cut all of these up to here. Now I'm going to take my strips and I'm going to weave those in. So the first one's going to go under, then over, then under, then over, then under, then over. Now the next one, because that one's under, so this one's going to go over that one, under there, over, under, over, under. See how I'm creating a checkerboard pattern? And we keep going. So that one is over, so now we're going to go under, over, under, over, under, over. We'll do this again. We're going to go over, under, over, under, over, under. Well, that's over, so now we have to go under, over, under, over, under. Now we're going to go over, under, over, under, over, under. And we need one more strip. So it's going to go under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over. Now I have a little blanket. I'm going to turn my blanket over. And I'm going to put So when it's time to do your tape, you're going to ask for Miss Bunny to come and help you. Now we'll trim these edges. Now I need to attach my teddy bear because this is his blanket. So we're going to just attach him just like that. So on the back, I'm going to put some glue on the front of his legs. Put his hands on the other side. And there, now I have a blanket for my teddy bear.